Hello, hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Hamala. Notice anything different? Come on! Yes! Get into these inches. Yeah, we got some 30 inches. Hair so long, it be tickling my bookie bookie. Boom, boom, bookie bookie. Bye. So you guys all know, or maybe not all of you, but if you know, you know, I'm a DIY queen. I do my own nails, I do my own hair. I love making things and creating things with my hands, and I did my first sewing. Fun fact, I went to beauty school. Fun fact, I'm a beauty school dropout. We're gonna get into this video. It's not really a tutorial, but if you see some things that you didn't know, you wanna take it, amazing, love that. But I wouldn't say this is a tutorial. This is just me filming myself doing a sewing for the first time, and it might be a little janky, but you can't tell. The blend is immaculate. It's so good. I'll show you guys the back of it. I did the flip over method. I did some leave out on the back. I'm going to do some of the video in a voiceover and some not. So let's get into this video of me doing my first sewing. So I already started on my braids. Y'all, get into my braids. This is literally my second time cornrow. I'm in disbelief. I'm in utter disbelief that I've had this in me this whole time. This is my second time cornrowing. And I guess it makes sense because I am a jeweler and I do work with my hands, but I'm just like, this whole time I had it in me. A new level unlocked. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my anchor braid. That's what I've seen, and then I'm gonna do my other braids. Literally winging this like I wing life, and it works like a charm every time. So I'm using this virgin hair fertilizer. There's a ton of ingredients for hair growth. I didn't want any heavy products in my hair since it's going to be covered. This is me doing my anchor braids, and I realized I should have done 2 small ones because I have so much freaking hair. I'm also just like, this is a big task to take on when you literally just learned how to braid a week ago and you just did one. You didn't even try your whole head. And in this moment, I'm like, damn, you have a lot of hair, but we've already committed, so there's no turning back now. And when I got to the back of the head, that's when I said, oh baby, you might have just jumped into this a little too soon. Nobody told me nothing about braiding the back of your head. I was not prepared. My arms were burning and I just couldn't get the finger placement or the movement right, because it's different from the side of your head to the back of your head. Those are 2 different placements. And the one next to it was baggy, y'all. I had a baggy braid, but I finally started getting on the last one. Okay, I agree. This is very, very rough. But in the grand scheme of things, this is gonna be covered anyways. For my first time, this is what we got so far. I have a lot of hair, man. My arms started getting tired too, so I was just like, this is the best we got. So this is my leave out, this is the anchor. What I'm thinking is really securing this down, weaving it side by side and really tightening it and flattening it. That's what I'm thinking in my head, because at first I was like, oh, I need these braids to be perfect, perfect, perfect. But then I'm like, this is my first time really attempting to cornrow, and also I just feel like it's not that deep, especially because if I'm doing my hair, like if I need to take it out, I can take it out. And if I need to do it again, I'll do it again because I didn't pay for it, except with my time and my manual labor, of course. But this didn't even end up affecting the end result anyway, so even if I don't get better, it don't matter because it's still slayed and laid. Just got braids and already have the Jim Jones 3000. That's crazy. I don't know why they were so frizzy. The ones on the sides weren't, but the ones in the back were. I don't know if it was because of lack of product or what, but here I am sewing everything, and that really helped with tightening the foundation. All right. We're back for day 2. I just ended up going to sleep. Ah! This looks crazy, but what do you want from me? Huh? I just want some inches like the rest of y'all. So here are the bundles. I wanted you guys to see them before I installed them. They're really soft, really pretty. I'm going to link them at the end, but they're from A Shine Hair. This is the weaving net. I didn't film myself putting the weaving net on, but it was kind of interesting, kind of tricky to put on. But I started sewing it on the top left just so I can secure it because it's a square, so, and my head's round. Top left,
then secured it on the top right, and then bottom left, bottom right, and I kind of had to fold it over. Moving right along, class, it's time to sew in these bundles. So here I am on my first row, and I used a bobby pin to hold up the other end of the weft because it's so heavy. And then I moved on to a claw clip because that really secured it. And here I am just sewing and then double knotting it. I'm wrapping it around the needle and then pulling it through just so it can secure the weft to the net, and that really helped. As you can see here, I move on to the little claw clip just so it helps with the weight every time I do a row, because it moves all around and it just makes things a lot harder, so this helped a lot. I also started sewing in a U shape after the first row. Didn't film it, but that's what I was doing, and here I am doing a celebratory dance because it's finally starting to come together. The vision is coming together. It's getting clearer.
Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees.
This is a whole production. I had to eat. I was in a meeting for 2 hours, and now I'm finally finishing up my hair. So I'm ready to wrap this up because let's go. But it's looking good. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm loving it.
Here we are. This is the U shape I was talking about. I saw the other girls do it, so I just followed suit. This is me on my last bundle. Hurrah! Like, so happy and excited because, y'all, my eyes were going cross-eyed, I'm not gonna lie. This was a 2-day affair. I was gonna say all-day affair, but this was a 2-day affair. I had to break it up because arms were burning, fingers were locking, eyes were twitching and glitching. Definitely bit off more than I could chew, but I always do. I do love a project, and I do love working with my hands. I love trying new things, so it's very Havilah coded. Like, I'm never gonna back down from a new project, and now that I know how to do it, I'm hoping my next time will be a lot easier. Can somebody tell me the purpose of the anchor braids, because I realized that one that I did was just too big and I need to do 2 smaller ones because it just looked kind of spacious. Do you see, like, kind of gappy? And not that it affected the end result, but I'm like, something wasn't right, or maybe I could have used more leave out. But yeah, any tips, pointers, suggestions? Oh, finally done. We made it. We finally finished. Hallelujah. So I only used 2.5 bundles, well, like 2 3/4. This is what was remaining of the bundles, but I used some of that to, like, fill any gappy areas. But that's it, y'all. I think I did amazing for my first time. I would say I'm not going to do it again, but I absolutely 1000% will definitely be doing this again. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment. Tell me your thoughts. Leave me any tips, suggestions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye.
Goes along, I don't know where I'm going. You be on my phone talking about what's my problem. I don't go alone and get it how I want it. I don't be alone to figure out how I should be loved. And if it's just us, is that enough? Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both dangerous, but we're so close we combust. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we combust. Is it bad that I want more? See, bustin' like a toolie in your waistband, bustin' like that booty too big and you need to eat. Bustin' like you catching the body and you in G-stand, bustin' like it's casual Friday and you here too. It's called love. I know it's love.
Hair is so long, can't even fit in the frame, but we got inches. Hair long, money long. Me and bro, we don't get along. Yeah, we need to back up the frame, you know, so you can see these inches, honey, and it's entirety. Me and long hair, we go together real good. Look how gorgeous this is. I got the hair from A-Shine Hair. I love their hair. This is Water Wave, and I've used Deep Curly before. Amazing. Still have those bundles. They will be getting reused as well. But the bundles are amazing. So beautiful, minimal shedding. I'm going to link my TikTok video of me prepping and washing the bundles. And in that video, it's linked so you guys can buy the bundles from there. I got 26, 28, and 30. And It's giving. Look at this. Look at these inches, honey. What?